From a regular photo like this to a print-ready birthday magazine cover. Easiest Canva tutorial you'll ever watch. Alright, so open Canva and then click create and type here magazines. Choose magazine cover. First upload a photo. I will use this photo. I will remove the background and then crop it. I will increase the size like this and I will drag it here and then I will set the background color to this color and then go to element again and add a blur background like this blur photo element. Right click and replace background. Click on the background and then click transparency, set it to 50, enter. And then go to text and type the name of the magazine. I will type here birthday. And then I will change the font to, I will type here times. I will use the Times New Roman Condensed, the regular one. And then I will increase the size. I'll place it here. We'll move the head down a little. Click on the text and then click the color of the font. And then I will scroll down. See all. I will change to this gold. Right click. I will click layer and send backward. And then click duplicate. And click effect. And choose hollow. And then I will reduce the thickness about 18 and place it right on the first text. Now add a name here. Change the color to white and change the font to the same font as the magazine name. And I will increase the size. Go to effect. Choose drop. Increase the transparency to maximum. And change the color to black. Okay. I will move it here. In the center. And then add a tagline. I will change the font to a sans serif font like alphabetical word, the bold one. I will increase the width and I will reduce the line spacing and I will capitalize all text. I reduce the size. I will place it here and I will change the color to this gold. Click this color button and I will remove this middle one and change the style to this diagonal. And then we go to effect and choose drop and set the transparency to maximum. Add the special edition text here. Add a month here. Type 1 of the headline here and the sub headline here. Use the sans serif font here, and for the sub headline use the serif font. Add a second headline here with a sub headline here. Adjust the position. Okay. So now you have it. And then click share. Download. You can choose PDF or digital print and choose the CMYK. And then click download. So this is the tutorial. I hope it helps you. See you next video and have fun with Canva.